TPS, why? Think Pair Share, TPS, is one of the active learning methods. So, these are benefits of any active learning strategy because students are actively engaged. Second reason is students learn from each other. This is a very important thing which happens anyway among students, when they are learning just before the exams. And the third big reason is that students can tackle large and ill-structured problems and develop the ability to consider multiple points of views. So these are three big advantages of TPS, and then there are other advantages which are true for many active learning techniques, like it makes the class interactive, students realize that even others are struggling, it builds a friendly yet academic atmosphere, and it includes all the other students in the teaching-learning process. Now, some of us may have this question that does this actually worked? Students are paying more attention in the class, but does Think Pair Share actually help them to learn better? So, we had a two-group experiments. In one group, we did the Think Pair Share, in one group we did not do the Think Pair Share, and we found that the experimental group which had the TPS activity performs significantly better than the control group which learns the same concept from an interactive lecture. So, this is the reason why we believe that Think Pair Share is a good technique for us to use in a course. TPS what? So what exactly is Think Pair Share? Think Pair Share is a collaborative active learning strategy, in which students work on a problem posed by the instructor. So first you work on the problem individually. So the individual work is important because you want every student to commit to some answer, then you work in pairs, so that two students can share their understanding, and if there are misconceptions they can clear the misconceptions. And finally we work together with the entire class. What happens in each of these phases? In the think phase, the teacher asks a specific question about the topic. Students think about the question and come up with their own answer to that question. Then in the pair phase, the teacher asks another question related to the previous one that is suitable to deepen the understanding. So that is the pair phase, where they share their thinking with each other and proceed with the task. And finally the students share their thinking with the entire class. The teacher now moderates the discussion and highlights important points. So this is the basic structure of a Think Pair Share activity.